This is the one lever that you can immediately pull in your sportswear online business to drive more sales and to get a better profit margin on your product. Well, what is it? Before we get into it, my name is Shadi Adada. I am the co-founder and creative director of Fittdesign, the world's first digital fashion design agency. I've worked with literally thousands of brands since 2015 to help them go from an idea to a full-fledged business with products that are being sold all across the world, specifically in the sportswear, athleisure, and activewear space. So I know a thing or two about what it takes to build a brand. I've helped literally thousands of brands do that, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing in this episode. Ultimately, what are the core pillars of building a successful brand and how you can do it yourself? So without further ado, let's get right into it. Have you ever wondered why Lululemon can charge $120 for a pair of leggings that they might cost them $10 to $15 to make? This is the power of branding. How do we craft a strong brand? Well, number one is that a brand builds loyalty. Number two is that having a brand creates a sense of perceived value. Number three is that having a brand helps to distinguish you from competitors. What or why you should have a strong brand and what are the tangible values of having a strong brand. What is brand to begin with? It's the sum of the parts of the different touch points of the brand that come together with a unified way that you want the customer to interact and perceive the brand. So starting off with a brand means knowing who you are and having a clear and very sort of direct brand identity that isn't muddied with a variety of different things that are contradicting each other. And this takes us on to number two, which is meaning that you have consistent brand identifiers. That consistency in your brand identity and your brand touchpoints is what creates a holistic brand. Number three is to have a powerful brand story. Most people think that a brand is just a product, but they don't understand the reason you buy into that product is the story you tell yourself about who you're going to be when you wear that product or when you engage in that product. And then the last pillar that you need to focus on is essentially what I call the A to Z customer experience. It's the different touch points of the brand from the first time that a customer might be engaged to your brand, whether it's through a Facebook ad, whether it's through landing on your website for the first time. The customer journey towards from awareness to action is something that is super important in the brand formation process. So now that we've identified what are the core pillars of a strong brand, how can you create your own brand? Well, number one is you need to clearly identify your customer. You cannot create a brand without knowing who that brand is for. By knowing who your customer is, you can clearly articulate the brand and make it suitable for that customer. Number two here is to clearly identify your brand values and your mission statement. Number three, now you have your values, you have your customer avatar, you need to develop that consistency in your brand identity. Number four is you need to create a story that resonates with audiences. Number five, you need to now infuse the branding into all touch points of your packaging. Number six, when it comes to building a brand, is you need to build an online presence. Last but not least, when it comes to creating your brand, is foster a sense of community. Now more than ever, people are hungry to be a part of something that's bigger than themselves. People are yearning and are hungry to be connected with others that speak a similar language. It may not have to be the same language per se of English to English, but a similar language of what they like, what they resonate with, what they're into. And they want to meet other like-minded people that they can feel like they're a part of a tribe, a community. Well guys, that is it. If you guys are interested in getting my opinion or my advice on how you personally can curate and craft your own brand, then you can check the link in the description. I offer one-on-one consultation calls every single week. Slots are limited. I don't hold them that often, but I'd be more than happy to hop on that call with you. So guys, I say this from the very bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Fittdesign TV. Until next week's episode, stay awesome.